What's up guys, Adrian here and I'm back after a long time. So yeah, I'm here to create a video about creating doors and windows in AutoCAD. So this is a simple tutorial only, so it is up to you if you are going to create this perfectly. But from now, I'm going to teach this a simple way on how to create doors and windows. Okay, so let's proceed. So first, we're going to create first the door. So the door have a thickness of 0.5 meters since it is made of wood. And also, they have different width. So to proceed, first, we are going to create our wall. For example, I have a wall here. Okay, so from here, we are going to create doors. And after that, later on, we are going to create the window for these two areas. Okay, so this is a simple tutorial only, but you can create this perfectly, like adding dimensions, adding a details on the drawing. So it is up to you. Okay, so I think let's proceed. So first is to create the door. We need to have the dimension of the width because it will show on what or where are we going to put the door. Okay, so we're going to use the command DI uh, to measure our distance. So we have the first point here. So if I'm going to click this one, I'm going to click the next point. And it is showed that our width is 0.9. So therefore, our width is 90 centimeters. So yeah, after that, I'm going to create a rectangle. So for the rectangle, I'm going to create the width and also the thickness of the wall. So like what I said, we have a thickness of 0.5 and the width of 0.9. So therefore, I'm going to type 0.9 or 0.9, then tab. After the tab, we're going to type the thickness of the door. So we have 0.05. Okay, so this is our door. Okay, and after that, we are going to put this in a place wherein we are going to put the uh, door. So after that, I'm going to select M for move. And after that, we're going to select the base point. So for the base point, you are going to choose where are you going to put the door. So in this case, I'm going to put here the uh, the starting point. So if I'm going to click this one, I'm going to drag it somewhere else in our door. So in this case, I'm going to move here. So we have our door. Okay. And after that, we are going to have a detail wherein there is an arc here in this place so that it will show the trajectory of the door. So after that, I'm going to create an arc. So by that, I'm going to type A for arc and enter. After that, I'm going to select the starting point. So for the starting point, we're going to choose the other side of the width of the door. Okay, so uh, you're going to choose here, click, and after that, the second point of the arc is the uh, corner of our door. And after that, the third one will be the midpoint of the door. Okay, so we have now our uh, simple door drawing. And after that, we are going to proceed now with the windows. So for the windows, what am I going to do is simple. So I'm going to create the rectangle and I'm going to create line in between the midpoint of the rectangle. Okay, so by that, I'm going to create REC or rectangle. So first one is to specify the first point. So for the first point, it will be here and then the second point will be here. Okay, so I'm going to click this one. And this is my second point. And after that, we have now our uh, rectangle. And after that, I'm going to create also the rectangle here. Okay, so since my last command is uh, rectangle, so I'm going to click or type space bar or the enter. So yeah, I press the enter. So after that, I'm going to click this one. And the second point will be here. Okay, so we're not finished yet because we're going to create a line in the middle part of our rectangle. So by that, I'm going to have L for line. enter. And after that, I'm going to click the midpoint and the midpoint of our rectangle. So enter or escape. So we have now our window here. So for the other one, we're going to have a midpoint and midpoint connection. And after that, we have now our window. So after this one, since it is so confusing that they have the same color, we're going to change their color with the help of the properties. Okay, so by that, I'm going to select the symbol of our door. And after that, I'm going to change it into other color. So in this case, I am using brown color since it is a symbol wherein the door is made of wood, so therefore it will be made of uh, brown color. So by that, I'm going to select this door, and after that, I'm going to change the color into brown. So sometimes I choose between 14 or 12, but for me, I use the 14. So we have now our brown color here, and for the windows, I selected the blue because it is complemented to green color of our wall here. So it is up to you of what color are you going to choose. But here's my tip. When you're going to choose the color, make sure that it is so presentable, because maybe you will be also confused if your color is not complement to your drawings. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to choose the blue here. So we have now a simple diagram of our doors and windows. So yeah, that's it. This is a basic drawing about the doors and windows. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope I'll see you in the next one.